Hello friends and welcome back to the Radeon channel. So friends, today I will talk about PowerColor Radeon RX 9070 GRE Red Devil and Reaper models. So friend, the PowerColor Radeon RX 9070 GRE graphics card into the fourth quarter of 2025 launching. So friend, the graphics card wallet-friendly Radeon RX 9070 XT 16GB and 8GB model and another reuse its existing portfolio of RDNA 4th generation shroud and backplate design. The mid-tier Hellhound GRE card was not include a recent NDA-busting exchange and the exact same red devil enclosure present on the an exact same red devil enclosure present on RX, an exact same red devil enclosure an exact some red devil enclosure present on Radeon RX 9070 XT and RX 9070 siblings is up for repeat business and significant difference seems to be reported utilized of two 8-pin power connector and minimum requirement of 600-watt power supply, and the RX 9070 GRE will ship with Navi 48 GPU featuring 3072 stream processor, and we previously reported this model will include 12 GB of GDDR6 memory and 192-bit memory bus. So friend, if you like my video, please show like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.